So in this problem, we have a sled given a kick that's initial speed of 2 meters per second. The coefficient of kinetic friction is 0.1. Use the work energy theorem to find the distance the sled moves before coming to a rest. If you take a look at this problem real quick, you can quickly draw the forces on it. I'm going to assume that it's actually moving this way initially at 2 meters per second. Drawing the forces on it, we have the force of gravity. Again, is going to be 100 newtons. We've got the normal force, which will also be 100 newtons. And again, if you remember how to calculate the force of friction is always the normal force times mu. For kinetic friction, again, remember it has only one value. Force of kinetic friction is equal to mu sub k times normal force. If you forgive me, I'm not going to actually write this one out because it's so nice. Mu sub k is 0.1. Our normal force is 100. Remember, friction always acts against the motion or potential motion of an object. So in this case, the force of friction is going to be acting this way. And that will be 10 newtons. Solving this one, we've got the following. Here's the work energy theorem. Initial energy plus any work equals the final energy. Plugging in our numbers this time, our initial energy is the kinetic energy 1/2 times 10, the mass of the sled, times its velocity 2 squared, which of course is going to be 20 newtons, or 20 joules, sorry, plus the work done. Well, that's going to be the force of friction times the distance it's going to slide, and the angle, and this is the critical part, between the motion of the sled and the force of friction. Maybe I should draw that in real quick. The displacement is this direction, the force of friction is this direction. This angle here is 180 degrees. And so we're going to plug that in for the angle between those two. And the final energy is 0 because it's going to come to a rest. If you solve this then, you'll discover very quickly, oh, wait a second. The distance is simply going to be 2 meters. And that is the answer. If you use 9.8 for gravity, you'll discover the distance is going to be 1.96 meters. Good luck.